Ever wanted to share a picture through email but weren't sure how to do it the right way? Don't worry. By the end of this short guide, you'll know exactly how to attach and send pictures in your emails like a pro. Emailing photos is one of the easiest ways to share memories, documents, or creative work with friends, family, or colleagues. Whether it's a family photo or an important image for a project, attaching it correctly ensures it reaches your recipient clearly and safely. Let's get started. First, open your email account and head to your inbox. Look for the Compose or New Email button. It's usually at the top or side of your screen. Clicking this will open a blank email draft. Now, in your new message window, look toward the bottom for a small photo or image icon. This is the Insert Photo option. Click it. Your email will now give you a few choices. You can either insert a picture from your online albums or upload one directly from your computer. For this guide, select Upload. A window will pop up showing your computer's files. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved, click the photo you want to send, and then hit Open or Choose. Your email will automatically begin uploading that photo. Once uploaded, you'll see the image appear inside your email, sometimes as a thumbnail, other times as a full-size picture. You can resize or adjust it if needed, then add your subject line, your message, and the recipient's email address. Finally, double check that everything looks right and click Send. Your photo is now on its way. And that's it. You've just learned how to attach and send pictures in an email. It's simple, quick, and super useful whether you're sharing memories or sending important visual details. Thanks for watching. And now, go ahead and send that perfect email.